I don't do saga, but I like to express myself because I believe that there's freedom of expression. And I also believe that once something has come out and is in the media space, then people are free to comment, but responsibly. This my video is in respect of the Dangote issues, the way they've been, the drivers have been driving recklessly, taking lives. I did a video and I said my story, how Dangote trailer killed my aunts. I had two sisters, same parents. They were going to see their mother. So, and then all the incidents has been happening, mostly in that Auchi axis, but its tentacles, it spreads all over Nigeria. Now, looking at this FINA and this very dark man issue. So, FINA, what I want to tell you is, the moment they told you that they did not want VDM, you ought to have known that they were up to something. They had something up their sleeves, But that is by the way I've watched all the videos. I've watched VDM's videos. I've watched FINA's Zone. I've watched Blessing CEO, and I've watched Izzy Ogbede. And some other people, there are different analyses online. I've watched them. But I'm here to address one particular person, and that person is Blessing CEO. I don't do saga. I give it to you. You are queen of saga. I'm not dragging that position. I don't do saga. Even there was a time a lady online here, because I made a comment on her comment session because she was giving a kind of a wrong analysis. So I dropped down my comment. She started insulting herself, not me. She went to my profile. She brought out my profile photo. She used another phone. I was showing her followers. My profile photo has my husband and my two sons. I have two sons. She was showing it to her followers, telling them that those kind of women that go to the airports, that those young boys, they will see young boys, they will now pick them, take them to their house, go and be using it. My profile photo is that profile photo has been there for over 3 years now. Yes, we went out for our 27th wedding anniversary, my husband and I. That was in 2022 January. So we snapped that photo where we went to with my two sons. She took her phone. I was showing my profile photo to her fans, telling them all kinds of trash. I downloaded that video and I kept it because I believe that a day will come when I will need it. So I don't do saga, but I like to express myself because I believe that there's freedom of expression. And I also believe that once something has come out and is in the media space, then people are free to comment, but responsibly. Now, let's see, the way you did that video telling FINA that she shouldn't have done live video with Easy and all that, that was a good advice. But what I didn't like was the point at which you generalize the whole of Edo State. People, you don't do that. This is the second time you are doing it. The earlier time we were doing saga with Easy, you made reference to Edo mothers, which you started denouncing later. Now you said that they are not loyal. Is it how you people behave in Edo State? That they are not loyal. So you said that they are not loyal. Edo people, is it how they behave in Edo State? They are not loyal and all that. I take exception to that. You can't just generalize everybody like that. We have disloyal people everywhere, whether Edo, whether Igbo, whether Hausa, whether abroad, whether in Nigeria. Disloyalty is an individual thing. You can't generalize a whole tribe, a whole section, a whole part of Nigeria just because one person was disloyal. You don't do that. You don't do that. This is the second time. I don't know why you are picking on Edo people generally, but I don't think it is nice. So I'm just saying this just for you to be cautious in case you are doing it, unconsciously. Maybe you are not conscious when you just say it like that, so that you know that some of us here, we don't like it. So we don't like it. So you be a little bit cautious when you want to make statements like that. Yeah, that refers to that you generalize what is happening. And again, have you even taken time to check? Fina is actually an Igbo girl. Because after you said that, I had to research. And blessing, go and check it. Her origin, she's Igbo, but she grew up in Edo State. Go and check it. So she's your sister. So can I now say that Igbo people are disloyal? No, I won't say that. So that is it. So, Pips, what do you think of what I've just said, of my observation? So you can drop your comments. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and also share, like, share, and then hit the follow button and follow if you are not yet following. See you in my next post. Bye.